Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app, on your Scout Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on it, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, so then you can to accept here. Then all you have to do now, all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. You just click here on notify about upcoming classes, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here can you select here notify about and upcoming classes here, and this is here can you add time. When you don't, just click here on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.